Okay, here we go. So yeah, you just slide it along. Just keep sliding it along. You can work the back and work the front. I'm standing like I don't know, 3 feet from the edge. No need to get close. And just work it down to the end. I've already cleaned this, mind you. Once I get to the end, then I get down here and I'll clean it out. Or you can just flick it out, work it underneath these. You know, you just work it back and forth underneath these. Keep flicking it, flicking it, flicking it, and then when you get to the end, just flick it out. And yeah, there you go. You want to take a little bit of water maybe and run it in there, and clean your downspouts. Happy stick handling, everybody. You can get a Sherwood, Coho, whatever you want. I wouldn't spend a lot on a stick. Walmart special.